Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 1 from the history part. In this chapter, we will discuss why we study history and why it is important to remember the dates and the happenings of past. Okay, let us start the chapter. There was a time when people believed that history is merely a string of dates. When they memorized those dates, it appeared to be very dull and boring to the readers. Historians wrote about the year when a king was crowned, the year he married, the year he had a child, the year he had fought a particular war, about the court intrigues, and the year he died. For such events, dates are assigned by the historians. There was a time when history gave an account of battles and big events. It was about rulers and their policies. Now, history also tells us about the changes taken place over a period of time. How things were in the past and how things have changed. Historians also wrote about many other issues matters. Now, they tell us how the cities developed, how people earned their livelihood, what did they produce, and how did markets came up, and what led to the rise and spread of many ideas. Okay, there can be no clear dates for such processes. All these events happens over a period of time. However, we can only refer to a span of time during which those events happened. Okay. Okay, now which dates? Okay, a date doesn't become important if something big happened on that day in the past, but it gains its significance on the basis of how much keen we are to study the events which happen during a particular time. Suppose in the histories written by British historians in India, the rule of each governor general was important. ব্ৰিটিছসকলে যিখন হিষ্ট্ৰী লিখিছিলে তাত কি আছে, তাত যিসকল মানে গভৰ্ণৰ জেনেৰেল আছিলে সেই সময়ত তেওঁলোকৰ মানে ইভেণ্টবোৰ সেইখিনিহে কি আছে ইম্পৰ্টেঞ্চ দিছিলে। তাতে কি হৈছিলে, তাতে আৰু ইণ্ডিয়ানছসকলে বহুত প্ৰব্লেম ফেচ কৰিছিলে বা বেলেগ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ সেইখিনি কথা তাৰমানে তাত কি হৈছে উল্লেখ নাই। অ'কে, সেইকাৰণে কোৱা হৈছে যে হুইচ ডেটছ, মানে আমি কি জানিব বিচাৰোঁ সেইটোৰ ওপৰত ডিপেণ্ড কৰিব।